Morning. Hey, get down, get down, get down.
But no, it does.
Wait.
Okay.
Read that. Oh.
Just sit down.
Okay, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, hurry up. Wait, wait. What's it, puppy? Pick it up. Morning, guys. Yeah, hi Nathan, right? Hey Jay. Oh no, there comes Ethan too. There comes Max. Oh jeez, I got a full house here today. Well, hi guys. Yeah, go guys, please go and sit down.
Go sit down.
Go sit down. Yeah, thank you, Nathan. Go guys, sit down, please.
Look at this. Look at that. Yes.
Yeah, it's gonna be really interesting here. Yeah, you can hear it.
Mr. Stuck, make it up. Away, book.
Yeah, this is gonna be fun for me now. Guys, please. Guys, please. Got CEI on the move.
It's a frog. It's like that.
Got CEI on the move. CEI.
I know where it does.
Energy sector.
I know where it does.
I'm having a little bit of difficulties here, to be honest with you. The kids are around playing a little too much, and I don't feel comfortable with the noise and all that kind of stuff. It's about to open in 20 seconds. This thing is freezing on me now. It's like, okay, this is a nice morning. Okay. Over 2 towards 250 in CEI. Look at it. CEI over 2 to 250. No shares to short on CEI. No shares to short on CEI. Out of the gates from 2 to 250. Taps 250. Probably gonna pull over from there. I missed the entry there. As you can notice here, I have a little bit of help in the background. And I don't feel comfortable with the noise. Yeah, it's a good thing. Just gotta hold it. See, I just got halted. Moving along until he comes back. See, I just got halted.
I see a frog.
Nothing to see there. You will go to 250. Probably gonna pull back from there.
Yeah.
That's right. Ready to be on the green.
No.
Yeah, Jay. I got Nathan and Ethan here playing around. You can hear them. You can hear them. They are having fun. Let me just take a look at JetBlue real quick here. Guys, please. I need a little bit of silence. Nathan, please. Ethan, go, please. Yeah, thank you. Alright, watching JetBlue. Okay, watching JetBlue under 765 to 660. JetBlue under 765 to 660. Daily level. Okay, flagging on the 1 minute time frame, 765 towards 660 daily level though. JetBlue yesterday didn't do much, so I'm not really trying to waste my time here with JetBlue today. See, I still hold it. Sinatra, we're ready to be on the green today. Flag, JetBlue, 1 minute time frame. Have a start limit order. I apologize for the background noise, guys. Trigger price 761. Limit 759. Risking off of the view app. I have a stop limit order to short. I'm not in yet, okay? I'm still not in. Still not in. I have a fishing order. We got CCL bouncing. CCL bouncing. OXY is a little bit too volatile as of right now. Just a bunch of whipsaw all over the place. See JetBlue is rejecting. We can see JetBlue. We gotta see JetBlue here. You can see CCL moving up and CEI. CEI is a big mover though, but it's gonna move fast. CEI is a big mover. It's gonna go move fast. He has a couple of different levels to work with. Gotta read this news here. Moody's sees passenger demands for U.S. airlines likely to return through H2. Eita, papi, what's going on? Go, please, go. Here. Papi, I can't do this, go! Shh. Jeez, man, I apologize. Got my kids in this room here today. Wife is busy taking care of something, and it could be quite challenging. This is real life kind of stuff, though. This is real life kind of stuff. You guys got kids, and you can be trading at home. Don't think you're gonna be like, it's like not you're not gonna be home while you trade. If they wanna come in, they gonna, you know. Well, anyway, let me just focus on this thing here. 770. Stop limit order to short this thing at 761 trigger, 759, 759. Looking for that rejection of this price here under 765. Well, daily level there, 765, $6.61. CEI dropped. It's probably gonna come up to 250. Went to a high of 240 though. For those of you who bought in the pre-market hours, that's a pretty hefty return. If you were not catch on that huge pullback. But being a cheap stock, you can easily buy 1,000 shares and take 70 cents on the move, and you're all set for the day. Again, guys, I have an order out. E-core dropping. FRO dropping fast. I have an order in JBLU. Fishing order. Short sale. Open order. 761 trigger price, 759 limit price. A little bit of consolidation. Sometimes you have to wait for it. WPX coming down towards the 50. Energy sector stock coming down. LK had a huge gap from $25 to about $7 today. LK looking coffee, whichever way. You guys, yeah, I might say I have an accent. Short, yeah, JBLU short, JBLU short, JBLU short, JBLU short. JBLU open order short, not executed, not executed, not yet executed. Open order. Here's what I'm sharing here with the group. For those of you that are interested, that's the invite for the Discord channel. We share a lot of ideas. We get the conversation rolling there. We keep the conversation rolling there. Last night I was chatting. I think it was like 12:45. Somebody was still asking me questions. JetBlue not coming to me. I'm letting it move. I can be patient with that. I have a nice range on the daily. Now, if you're gonna trade that long, be mindful of the next leg up is right now you have a really tight 828. So we have a lot of resistance up ahead on JetBlue. It's just kind of tight to the upside though. And I'm talking about the daily, so I'm gonna let it run. I could be patient.
He's playing. Hey, he's playing. Hey, eat that.
That's great, buddy.
Eat the bottle.
I'm glad you did. I have my order open. Not yet executed because, well, so you can see. JetBlue is trending on the opposite direction. CEI.
On my screen.
You can see CEI there though. CEI ramped up really nicely, but it got halted. So that pullback is kind of strong there, and that halt. Waiting for JetBlue rejecting the 100. Let's see what's gonna do. I'm gonna keep on scanning the market anyway, and I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting for JetBlue. I'm not gonna be chasing an entry. I'm gonna let the trade come here. Treasury Department. So they're gonna put $3 trillion, something like that, into the market. They're gonna put a lot of liquidity into the market. Buddy, you go do your thing. Eco the spot coming right back up. 0.37% off today. Not really a lot. Probably gonna roll over in a couple of minutes. JetBlue is just not doing much. You can see CEI trying to come right back up. Yes, I have an open order not yet executed on JetBlue. 761 trigger price. 761 trigger price under this trend line here. 761. The reason why I got a 761 and not under 765 here is because I want to give it a little bit more room to make sure it gets on the pocket. And I'm talking about a daily pocket. Under this $7.65, the next leg down, and the daily we have is $6.61. So I'm giving it a little bit of room. Guys, I apologize about the background noise. You know that it's coronavirus, there's no schools and stuff. My kids are here and they wanted to be here today, this morning, which makes it a little bit difficult for me. Again, I have an open order not yet executed on JetBlue. Ethan, go sit down, please, Ethan. CEI coming right back up. CEI open order on JetBlue. 761 trigger price. 759 limit price. I'm waiting for it to get inside of the pocket. You can see the pocket right here on the daily right hand side of this monitor, right here on the bottom. And this is a 15-minute time frame. We see a candle with the low on the 15-minute, $7.21 here. I'm looking for the break here, retest of these areas down here, and probably a follow through to $6.61 on JetBlue. The market is not really up too high. It's just 0.8. What? About? I'm tracking the spider here. We are about a 15th, what? 1/15th, 1/20th of a percentage point up. So I'm expecting it to roll over. JetBlue, I'm gonna let it consolidate. I have an open order on JetBlue that is not yet executed. CEI, I'm gonna keep on watching JetBlue on my monitor though. You don't have to, track it with me if you don't want to. CEI coming right back up higher. This thing here, 240 on CEI. I had a pretty decent day yesterday trading energy sector stocks with OXY, APA. OXY short right out of the gates, API long and short yesterday after Trump tweeted about what they spoke about Saudi Arabia prince, and the Saudi prince spoke to Putin, something like that, and the energy sector started to move like crazy yesterday. So one long trade, one short trade. Yeah, kids are cool, man. It's just that when you want to manage a trade, cool, calm, kind of difficult. They want to change cartoons and they want to do things, and while you're looking away, with this kind of stuff, you kind of like need to be focused on, like the mind has to be focused on one spot. Not, you can chew and walk at the same time. Although if you ask the girls, they might say that us guys are not allowed or not able to chew gum and walk at the same time, right? Again, for those of you that this is a problem, I apologize about my kids making a little bit of noise in the background. If you guys are cool with that, I thank you for still being here. For those of you that are new on the stream, I appreciate if you like it and you want to, if you like it and want to hitting the like button, I meant. All right, JetBlue still consolidating though. Salute. Nice coffee. I need my espresso in the morning. All right, let's see what else we have here. Oh, just by the way, for those of you, and I don't spam, we don't do none of that kind of crazy stuff. But it can come in handy for those of you that want to take advantage of that. We send out a list of stocks that we keep on watch on the weekend for the following week. day trading and swing trading opportunities. If you want to do that, it's so free. No, again, we don't spam. You can go over to traderscolony.com and get your account. Again, it's free stuff. And every weekend you have that list on your email. Also, the Discord group is there. The invite link is there. If you want to join the group, you're welcome to do so. If not, I understand. It's okay. Okay, I'm watching LK. LK. Let's see if I got a little bit of, shares to short here. I'm gonna keep it on watch on this consolidation here on the moving averages. Let me see if I can short LK. I'm doing some small account challenge moved from, okay, so short sell restriction here. Still watching JetBlue. JetBlue seems like it's gonna come down though, so I don't want to deviate too much of my. Let me put JetBlue here, this window. Keep JetBlue here, and then watch Lake on this window. Okay, so this is what I see on Lake. We are making this trend line here for that little bit of support. If we break under that, they have a chance that we can go down. We have this moving averages all intertwined with each other under the view app. If we can break under the trend line for this little bit of support and stay under the 100, we might flush down. For those of you that have shares to short, I do. Actually, I don't. Let me see. No, there's no shares available on this one, so I can't really short. CCL moving up. CCL, Carnival. Next leg up on Carnival. Let me move it from here. Tell you exactly what I'm looking at. Okay, you have a nice range on Carnival though. From 858, we already broke that all the way to the high of $12.61 if we don't hit resistance. 1261, 1261 on Carnival. CCL. Let me put it in a window. It's very important to keep an eye on this thing. Where am I gonna put it? Right here. Casper, you going out, or CVE actually is going out. CCL, guys. Next level, $12.61 on the daily. JetBlue, baby, come on, JetBlue, where are you? JetBlue yesterday had only a range of OXY is trading very decently. I don't like this, all of this wicks right here on the 5 minutes. OXY looks a lot better. Let me just take a look at OXY. OXY, come on, baby. Oh yeah, and it's shortable. Yes. I shorted all OXY out of the gates yesterday. JetBlue only had a range of 20 cents yesterday, so I'm not expecting to be waiting for JetBlue the whole day. I'm not gonna be, that guy waiting the whole day on JetBlue for something that might not even happen. OXY might print a bear flag pattern on the 1 minute time frame. Bear flag here, a little bit of consolidation. Push down 2 green candles as a bounce, and then if it breaks a low on this one candle here, once it closed 13.19, 13.17, well, I apologize, then the flag pattern will actually develop then. But here's the thing, we are bouncing off of the 50 on the 15, and we have the next leg down. It's 1281. Why do we have 1281 here today? This shouldn't be here. It's already, this level is not working here today. This level is actually not working either today. Okay, so 1139. OXY 1139. OXY 1139. OXY 1139. OXY 1139. CEI consolidating on the one. CCL, guys, all the way to $12 next leg. Next resistance on the daily. I'm still waiting on JetBlue. I have my order open, not executed. Open order in the market. 761 limit. Trigger price 759 limit to be executed on the way down if JetBlue actually breaks that 765 level that he has on the daily all the way to a pocket of $6.61 in JetBlue. I'm waiting for it to get into that pocket. OXY is bouncing here. Let's see if we're gonna get right back up to the VWAP or the 50 on the 5 and then have a rejection from there. I'm expecting this thing not to hold. We have to see this inverted hanging man here on the 1 minute with the high of $13.52, which is 2 cents away from $0.50 resistance. I see you too. Yes. Let me see, Nathan. Hurry up. Guys, I apologize. Let me see, Nathan. I understand. Yes. Here. Little baby, go. Guys, go sit down, please. Yeah, it's fun being home with the kids, you know. It's pretty fun. All right, so again, 1350, $0.50, 1352 is the high of this inverted hanging man on the 1 minute time frame here on OXY. Expecting a rejection of this levels right here to retest the low of this candle right here, 1310. Get under the 100 on the 5. Follow through. We have the next leg down on the daily. Next support, $11.39. Again, I'm not expecting a move all the way to a flush. This is not something that nobody came with news here today, especially after Trump came out yesterday saying that Saudi Arabia and Russia are trying to work out and they're going to cut back on 10 million barrels or something like that. It might not flush down there though, but I'm really expecting a little bit of resistance around here. We can see 1346 working out right here, right now. 1346. Let me just fix this stuff. I'll show you exactly. I asked yesterday what I could do to be a better, to have a better community, and I asked that question in Discord, and you guys wanted me to. Some people, not everybody. That was the feedback that I got. I wanted to be a little bit more vocal about my positions or my ideas, and I do share my ideas. Sometimes I just don't tell people what to do. Like, don't buy here, sell here. I tell you guys what I'm doing, what I see. So I'm trying to be vocal here with this thing. So this probably can help you out. For those of you that like that, I appreciate that. If you want to hit the like, that's good for me. If you want to subscribe, that's also appreciated. If you want to come to the Discord group, the invite is there. It's free as well, and it's also appreciated. I'm just trying to do something better for the community, all of us here working together, helping each other out. Again, I moved a portion of my IB account into CMEG. I started trying this thing. I had a CMEG account open last year. I didn't use it, but I wanted to see how consistent and how, I always forget this word. Buddy, help me out if you're there. What's the word? What's the word, man? Come on. Discipline. Discipline. Did you write it? Discipline. Then okay, got it. No. Well, anyway, I wanted to be disciplined. 1350 though. Area 1350. Let's see what's gonna reject this area. 1350 on this high on this candle, and 1352 right here. 1346 showed that there was a little resistance around this area. I'm about to cancel my order in JetBlue though. I like this is not really, this is not doing anything. I'm just here waiting, and this is not working out. As you can notice, for those of you guys, I started working yesterday a little bit on the Discord chat, fixing a couple of different chats, adding chats that you guys asked me to add, and different things there. We have now about what? How many people is there? Like 80 people now? Yeah, about 80 people on the Discord group, sharing ideas and doing all that kind of stuff. So, again, I appreciate the feedback. I just trying to do something great for you guys and having a good community. I'm not selling anything though. For those of you on the YouTube stream that don't think I'm selling anything here, we're just sharing ideas, trying to grow each other. So again, I am doing a small challenge or a small account challenge, kind of challenging myself or slash not challenging myself, because I'm not trying to challenge myself. I just want to see if I can be consistent and have, I forgot the word again. If I could follow the rules and be, gee man, I forgot the word again. Whichever word it was that I just said a couple of minutes ago. All right, so watching the 15 minutes here, 1346, rejecting 1350, low 1310 on the 15. We got a 50 simple moving average at 1309. We can come down there, 1309, 1309 on this thing. Let's see if we can get under the 50, because we got the 50 on the 530 at 1331, 1331 on the 5. See if we can do that. JBLU just has a bunch of consolidation now. Still rejected the 50 though. I'm gonna let it work. Let's see if it happens. I'm not gonna chase JBLU. Yesterday JBLU only had a range of 20 cents. 20-cent range on the whole day. Like when all the stocks had great range. FRO. Let's see if FRO has any shares to short here. FRO, energy sector stock, yeah, it just has a short sale restriction. FRO 788, we had a 786 on huge range to the upside though. If I play this thing, has to be 788. Around the 50 simple moving average on the 5, 788. I might cancel the order on JBLU and probably take a stab at FRO, and the risk is gonna be at 791, 791 on the 50 simple moving average. I'm putting a 792. 792, make this green trend line here to exactly know why the trend line is there and what I'm looking at. Okay, so I'm gonna cancel the JBLU. JBLU has a pennant formation on the 1 minute time frame that is printing now. I can see it. Too choppy. I'm gonna cancel that order. I'm gonna try to get a order through FRO. Rejection 788 and 790 on the 50 simple moving average on the 5 minute time frame. FRO short sell restriction, so you gotta put an order on an uptick. You cannot hit the bid, you can't short the bid. Discipline. There you go. Discipline. There you go. Man, I applaud you. Sinatra, you my guy. You my guy. Thank you. Guys, hey. I apologize, guys. I have a couch here and a couple of different things in this room, and they getting on top of the couch and jumping to the floor and pretending like they some sort of Superman or something like that. So I apologize about that. It's fun to see them play and all that, but right now I'm a little busy. What's going on, Nathan? Come, let me see. Hurry up. Come on. Let me see what happened. What did you do here? Go, please, sit down. Alright, so watching FRO, and we can see this area of rejection here on the 1 minute time frame. $13.50 hovering this area, topping candle, inverted hanging man here in the 1 minute time frame. Now bear flag formation right now, just took the low of this candle, and it's about to take the low of this other candle, 1320. If we do that, we're gonna go down, probably test that low of the 1309, 50 simple moving average on the 15. We can see also daily gap all the way down, daily range all the way down to $11.39 on this one. JetBlue, you are not helping out. All right, Ecor, JetBlue, CCL, kind of tricky market today. FRO, CEI was actually pretty decent. CEI was actually pretty decent. Somebody wrote something here off topic. Let's see. Are you on Ecor? Oh man, I'm so sorry for you. Man, I feel bad for you. Short on Ecor right now, it doesn't seem to be a great thing. Energy sector, man, JetBlue, I'm gonna cancel the order on JetBlue. Alright, so just cancel the order on JetBlue, guys. JetBlue, even if I get filled, it seems like it's probably not gonna get me there. LK, probably not shares to short on LK. Short sale restriction, there's no shares available on LK. Not shortable here. Okay, Fro broke that prior resistance. Broke the prior resistance, and right now it's going up to $8. $8. We have $8 where? 796, 795, 797. Went to $8. Ramping up here. FRO, CAPR, CEI, not doing much. Fro. OXY is trending really slow though. Really slow. Yeah. Change it up a little bit. You see frontline, energy sector stock. You guys are writing something here. Despierta. Alright, Fro. Didn't see this one coming. Fro. FRO. Seems like we're gonna reject this area here. Let's see. FRO. All right. Let's see here. Close to the whole dollar. Close to the 100 simple moving average on the 5. JetBlue not doing anything. Yeah. Nothing to see there. Total whipsaw on the market today. Total whipsaw on the market today. This is stupid. Yesterday we had a great day. Today is a different story. Today is a different story though. Nice bounce on throw. We're going to reject or what? Seems like it's been holding tight. Be holding pretty tight though. Be holding pretty tight. Yeah, I'm gonna try to catch a pullback and throw here. Rejecting the 100 on the 5. Rejecting the 100 on the 5. Let me see. Take a look, a little closer look here. You can see throw down 4 3/4% today. Throw 4 3/4% today. RTX is down a lot. Who's this? Oh, snipes. What in the world? RTX down 40%, but it's it has a weird range right now, so I'm not gonna chase that. Throw here, throw short sell restriction, guys. You have to short on a bounce. You have to short. Can't short the bid. You can't put an order out there just to catch, or unless you put it on an uptick. OXY finally breaking down. OXY finally broke down though, and rejected that 100 that we were just looking at as of right now, and then we changed stuff to come and see some other things, and we missed the move there. It's amazing how we were looking at this a second ago. 1346 around this area when it rejected this consolidation right here again, and then now coming down. Let's see if it gives us I honestly like OXY a little bit better than Fro, because I've been trading OXY for a couple of days already. I feel like I know the stock a little bit more, but in reality this one has a better range today. So Fro has a short sale restriction. In order for us to get a nice feel on this one, we have to put a order to short on an uptick. Let's say that is 760, 783. We gotta put an I swear. Go. Thank you. Yeah, see. I'll give you a tip, guys. When you're not 100% into, like, your mind is not 100% on a trade, sometimes it's better not to go for the money. When you think you could take the money. I think for me there will be a decent entry here for a retest of the 788, 789 on Fro. Risking off 792. That was prior 50 simple moving average on the 5. The hesitation I have is all of this in my background. I have to stop, go, stop, come, and it's a little hard for me to focus that way. If you look at what I'm talking about here, 788 retest on this one candle, risking off of 792. On an uptick, you put that order on an uptick, risking off of this area. If it breaks up of the 792, that was prior 50 simple moving average. You see the trend line here in the green, and you take that trade on uptick, put in the order at the retest of 788 on the green candle here. You would have been in, risking off of this area here. If it doesn't work, well, then it's not gonna work. But if it works, you have a chance of testing right here on the 768 on the view app. So you could take about 20 cents down, and you have a little bounce around this area, and then some more follow through to the downside. You could probably come here. You have a little bit of support around this area, 745. So you can even take 35 cents on the move here, or 30 cents on this move to the downside. Now, it's probably going to be a little bit slow, a little bit of a slow move here. JetBlue finally coming down. JetBlue finally broke. Let me take a look at JetBlue here. What it's gonna do, because I canceled my order. Remember, it was 761 with a limit at 759. Again, the way to take this trade, as I telling you guys, it's short sale restriction. You have to put the order on the uptick. You get filled to retest 788, risking off of 792. If it doesn't work, you have a small loss, because you're risking off of a couple of cents, actually 4 cents away from your entry. So the risk is actually pretty low, but the upside, you could take 20, 25, 30 cents to the downside if this trade actually works, right? So that was pretty much the idea. Again, my mind is now 100% into it, so I do you hear what I'm saying. I do apologize about today being a little bit different here. With usually they not even here this time. Usually sometimes they're even sleeping, or they taking classes. There's no online classes today, so they all over the house, and probably not gonna get them out of the room. JetBlue dropping 765. Huge drop on JetBlue. OXY keeps on dropping. 1282. WPX dropping. JetBlue going down. Yeah, for now on JetBlue, I'm not gonna chase it. The downturn there is coming from already 780 to get me fill on this downturn here to move already 20 cents, right? So I'm not gonna chase this entry, because it's probably gonna bounce in the next couple of minutes off of the area that I wanted to. There you go. See, even if this trade wouldn't work out, you're probably being out right here, risking 4 cents. And it wouldn't work out, that's true. But at least your risk is small. And again, right here on this 5 minutes, could even be a bear flag pattern on the 5-minute time frame. This can come right back up and retest, and just come right back down. JetBlue bouncing off of the area of that I have my prior entry, bouncing off of 761. bouncing off of 761. Okay, JBLU. Un elefante, Neita. Un elefante, Neita. Neita, let me see un elefante, please. Come on, hurry up. Come on. Go. Okay, JBLU, open order 757. Limit 755. Bouncing on the 5. Bouncing on the 5. Open order on JBLU. Open order on JBLU. Possible bear flag formation on the 5-minute time frame on Fro. JBLU bouncing here. 760. I have an open order. Trigger price 755, 757. I apologize, and 755 limit. A little bit of selling at 765. Giving it a little bit more room. Giving it a little bit more room here. Giving it a little bit more room here. Watching JBLU though. Watching JBLU. $771. $771 JBLU. See if we can reject the prior high. 771 prior resistance. 771 in JBLU. 771 putting a trend line right here at 771. Okay, 771 JBLU. Let's see if we can have a bear flag pattern on the 5-minute time frame in JBLU. Fro coming down. If he gets down on the 50, get under the 50 again. Right here was really tight stop. Tight stop right here. 792. For any of you that can actually tell me if the audio is good, please, I appreciate that. Because I have the mic on the lowest of the lowest, the things, trying for you guys not to catch all of this music or musical things in the background. JBLU. Still watching JBLU though. Watching JetBlue though. JetBlue. JetBlue. They having a lot of fun though. Yeah, I'm that one that's probably not having as much fun as they are. JetBlue. I swear. Look, Ita. Wait. Come. Quit. Go. Alright, JetBlue 765. It's a little bit of 767. Support 765, 766. A little bit of consolidation right there. Fro is still not working out. Let's see. JetBlue moving along. Moving along to JetBlue. I didn't have a trade on Fro. If I would have put the trade, honestly, that wouldn't have worked out anyway. And if it wouldn't have worked out, I would have let you guys know. But no, I didn't take any trades on that. CEI coming the second time coming up. See here, JetBlue flag on the 5-minute time frame. JetBlue flagging on the 5. Looking for that follow through move to the downside on JetBlue. The market pulling back. JetBlue coming down slowly. Got a low of 760. Gotta take that low on 760 though. CCO coming down. Came down hard though. CCA came down hard. JetBlue has a little consolidation on the 5. Seems like we're gonna come down. JetBlue watching 761. Oh, but now, yeah, let me just do this real quick. Oh, God, yeah. I never thought about this today. My mind went away. Let me put a little background music here for you guys. probably gonna work out somewhere in a decent way. All right, so 760 on JetBlue, or 760 on JetBlue. Still watching 760 on JetBlue, 760 on JetBlue. A little bit of selling at 761 JetBlue. Topping up 759. Then we're dropping here, if I'm not mistaken. I kind of saw it. Yeah. Am I in now? I am in now. Watching JetBlue. JetBlue in now. JetBlue in now. Been waiting for this for a little bit of time now. See how we're gonna do here. JetBlue. In JetBlue. In JetBlue. In JetBlue. Okay, not much support at 757. A little bit of selling at 759, 758. Still holding tight, a little bit of support around here. Coming right back up. $758. Bid stacking 757. Not strong support though. It's gonna come down some more here. Holding tight around 757 though. This is a flag. This is a flag. I'm expecting a consolidation on the way down here. Flagging on the 1 minute time frame. Flag. 1 minute time frame on JetBlue. Flag. 1 minute time frame. Flag. 1 minute time frame. Flag. Today's Friday. Selling at 759. Prior high 760. Prior high 760. A little bit of resistance 750. Come on, Nathan, hurry up. Come on, come on. Let me see. What in the world did you put on? Here. Go, quanto você pôr? Flag. Flag, 1 minute time frame. Watching the 15. Possible retest of the low 721. Put a trend line 721. Trend line $7.21 on the 15 minutes. JBLU. Flagging around 760. Still a little bit of indecision around this area though. Okay, finally coming down here. 755. Getting slapped on a bit. $56,000 shares being put on the bid at 750. 750. See if we're gonna bounce from here though. 756. This guy gonna get filled right here. 56,000 shares being slapped on the bid. If he gets taken out, we're gonna keep on flying down. Watching level 2 here. $754 is going to come through in a minute. 751 is coming down again. Watching level 2 though. $754 being hit. Level 2. Doji, a lot of indecision right here. We're gonna keep on coming down, and the low 751. If we take 751, coming down again. We got 55,000 shares put in a bid at 750, holding it tight around there. This guy gets a short, keep it coming down. Got a high at 761. couple of dojis here. See if we can take down that guy at 55,000 shares on 750. Once he gets absorbed though, once he gets out of that area, we're gonna keep on dropping though. Next area we can see is 721. This consolidation is being held tight on JBLU. Consolidation being held tight on JBLU. 750. 750. Action level 2. 750 being held. 750 being held. We're about to close this candle in the 1 second here. Okay, we just got it closed. First green candle. Looking for some follow through move to the downside here. Still, that guy's sitting at 750. It's probably as a phantom order, a phantom order maybe. The guy's probably, could be possible that he's spooking the shorts. This happened the other day though. It was somebody always sitting $50, putting 50,000, 50,000, 50,000. Held and held and held and held, and afterwards he was not able to hold no more, and he had to disappear. So 57.57. I'm watching now 757 being somewhat strong resistance though. Somewhat strong resistance, 757. And 757 still holding though. 757 still holding. We can see this little consolidation here on that 1 minute time frame on 757 right here. Look at this nice formation that we're printing. Okay, we see what looks like a possible bear flag pattern on the 5 minute time frame. 757 is being held kind of hard. Now it's breaking out. Let's see how far we're gonna get here. I have a hard stop set in case this thing doesn't work. But if we break under this trend line here, I think we might be able to run down. And this trend and consolidation and downtrend and consolidation is showing a strong possibility that we can go down to 721. Right now we are seeing that 750 is being a little bit of support right there, right? But we still have a decent chance. I haven't done the numbers though to know exactly how much I've made this week yet. Yesterday was my biggest day of the week, and again, this small account challenge. I have a very tiny account right now, not compared to the one that I had, but it should be around 720 this week, something around there. Okay, little consolidation here on the 5. We have another couple of seconds for this one to close. And we are closing this 5-minute candle here. Possible bear flag formation on the 5 minutes. Let's see if we could come down, retap the 753 and go under there. 753. Watching JetBlue, managing JetBlue bear flag formation on the 5-minute time frame. Bear flag formation on the 5-minute time frame. You have to be kidding me. Flying blind for a second here. Flying blind for a second here. My apologies. My computer did the trick in the middle of the trade and moved all of my windows. I have to reset all my windows back to where they were. Okay, at least I can see my main window here. Alright, so afterwards then I can try to rearrange everything else. Slow. This consolidation on JBLU I don't like that much. And I have a order to be protected in case it does not work. In case it doesn't work. This is so difficult for me when all my windows get switched up and I have to rearrange them. It's a very frustrating thing that I go through sometimes here with my computer. I don't know why it does that though. I am already fed up and frustrated about it, to be honest. I would most definitely like to know why that happens. It feels as, according to my computer, if I kind of just move out the USB connectors, and it tries to sensor connectors right back in. I'm almost done here though, but it's not fun. It's not fun. I'm almost done. One more window to fix. And thankfully what you see on the stream is the windows, really not the monitor, because if it was the monitor then it will be all switched up on your end. But it doesn't happen on your end. You keep on seeing the same thing, so that's a good thing. Alright, so I'm still in JetBlue here. Able to move everything back to where it was. Good thing. Coming down here, it seems like the bear flag formation is probably gonna work out. You can see the low of this 5-minute candle here being 754. We're tapping 753 now. Coming down, you can see the high of this one, 754. It's too tight. I was gonna change it up my hard stop, but it's too close. This thing shoots up, it gets me out, and then I'll lose the opportunity here for that downside move that I'm expecting under the 750. I see. Wait, well, how big was that order? This guy's still sitting on 60,000 shares right now on 750. So this guy's still there at 750. 750 with it was 50,000 shares. Right now he's putting 60,000 shares at 750. People are getting spooked out, and you can see this consolidation flopping and flopping and flopping around. This is why I was a little hesitant on the JetBlue trade, because of the same thing. Yesterday we traded only a 20-cent range. CEI 272 higher day, CEI 275 higher day now. Two seven five higher day on CEI. 275 higher day at CEI. $275 higher day CEI. JetBlue is trending lower. Very slow. but it's trending lower. C7, 275 high day on CEI. Oh, beta is not. See, my widget bot is not online now, so it's not working on the website. This consolidation is being kind of crazy though. Like, can you just let it go? Can you just let it go? CEI 290 higher day. JetBlue still consolidation. Managing JetBlue though. Still managing JetBlue. We closed that 15-minute candle. Another 15-minute candle just opened. I don't like the fact that this support is being held way too strong around 750. This trade might not work though. There's a strong possibility that it might not work. There is a good chance that this trade might not work though. JetBlue is being way too slow, and so sometimes patience is is key. Consolidation too strong on JBLU. Oh man, this is boring. Watching level 2. Wall of sellers at 757. Cook. Cook. Nathan, what's going on? Okay, it's okay. Okay, JBLU still has this consolidation. Chances are, at some point, if the same thing happens that happened the other day, this guy might go away. At 750, this thing was a plunge. I'm waiting for this to see if we can get to 721. Right now, it's the second green candle that we have at the 15 minutes. If we can hold on to this consolidation around this area here, and I'm not taking out before that, then we might end up breaking down and going to that area down there. I could be taking out though on this push if it pushes higher. Got a 759, 50 simple moving average here. Yeah, just stop. Have a stop at 765. All the sellers at 759. See if we're gonna reject the 100. I have a stop up here though. My stop is up here. I'm giving it a little bit of room to see if we can reject the 50. I don't want it to see it get on top of the 50 because then it's not gonna be a good thing for me. Because right now, trying to find a floor on this pullback with this tiny range that so far we have had today. So still managing this thing. Okay, let's see if we're gonna reject that 50 simple moving average. If we don't reject it, then we might end up getting on top of it and just getting support from that area. We're halfway through the 15. It looks like we might end up rejecting the 50 on the 1. Let's see if we do. Can see 760 being a little bit of resistance. This consolidation is being holding. It's being holding really tight. We have another 5 minutes to close on the 15-minute candle. Still watching this area though. Coming Ethan. What's going on? Go, mommy, please, Ethan. I'm sorry, go, mommy. Still watching this thing here. We have about another less than 2 minutes to close on 15 minutes. JetBlue, still possibilities that we can see it go down to 720. Another 1 minute to close on the 15 minutes. Shooting star formation of the 15-minute time frame. Doji, showing a doji on under 760 on JetBlue. Okay, still watching the consolidation on JetBlue, holding tight. 750s being that support that we need to take out. There's been somebody sitting there on JetBlue for a little bit of time today. It's been trending lower. It's just been taking a little bit of time. CEI 294 higher day, moving higher. $60,000 shares, 750. Somebody sitting at 60,000 shares, 750. If we get taken out, if we take this out, if we take this out, if we take this out, 750. We're gonna come down. This guy's been holding the price really tight around there. Looking at level 2, we don't see a lot of support under 750. We got 749 and 723 though. We don't have a lot of support, and that's what I can see there on the low of that 15-minute candle. In the pre-market hours, we got a 721. So we can get under 750 though. That'll be a good thing. See somebody tapping that 750, slapping that bid with 58,000 shares. Bid stacking 752. Consolidation is still holding, moving slow, and I'm waiting and waiting, waiting and waiting. Bid stacking 751. I want to see some prints at 750 though. Some prints 750. Man, it's been holding tight around here. It's been holding really tight around here. And that 50 has become that resistance. But that 750 half dollar is being strong support. Alright, so they try to hold it tight around here. Let's see if we can, if they can actually hold it that tight. Strong consolidation I can see in the 15. They're really trying to hold it though. That 750 has been something. It's been quite something. I wish you guys are having fun. There's not strong support on the 750 though. I don't see support on the 750. It goes all the way down to 749, and then somebody's sitting with 100 shares at 749, and then 723. It goes right back down. You can see somebody holding at 750. If we can take this out, we can run. We can run, and the market's been dropping today. Slowly, but we've been looking, moving lower. $751 tapping. $752. Time and sales printing some 751s already finally. But still around here, holding around this area. Holding around this area. And I'm holding with it. And I've been patient. And this consolidation has me going a little nuts already. Watching that level 2, see if we can go. Watching that level 2. Not much 750 anymore. Wall of sellers at 752. Not much support at 751. Let's see here if we can finally get the 751 out and top 750. Tap this guy with the 750, take him out, get him absorbed out at 57,000 shares that he's holding tight around there. Or if he's just putting liquidity there and he's just putting an order to make people believe that he's sitting there and he's just sending the order to the market as a phantom order, making people believe this guy is sitting really tight at 750, making people buy that spot, thinking the price is gonna go right back down and then slam it. I think we already printing some 750s. We already tapping some 750s here. We already tapping some 750s here. $750 already hit. Finally hit. There's some size coming in at 750, you gotta say though. Some size coming in at 750. $750 hitting. Now we're gonna know if this guy was for real or if he was just a joke. Okay, we tapped that 750 on JetBlue. See what we're gonna do here. Okay, huge size went through 7. The guy with the 50 something thousand shares at 750 hit. Made the price bounce a little bit. See if we can hold tight around here. Come right back down. Slam it down. The 15 still 3 more minutes for that doji to close on the 15. We're trying to hold it tight. I think we can hit that 720, 721 on JetBlue. This guy is trying to hold it at 750. If he goes away, we're gonna move. We're gonna move. Not much support on the 750 though. Not much support on the 750. Support we can see is down to 720. I've been holding really tight on this order though. That's 757 short, 757 short on JetBlue, 757 short on JetBlue. I've been holding tight on JetBlue on this order. JetBlue is being trading inside of this range here. Can see, let's see if we can print that bear flag pattern on the 15 minutes. Come down under that 750. Guys, I gotta take a piss here though. Give me a sec. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Had to. Okay. Kind of back to square one. We've been trading inside of this range here on JetBlue. Watching the wall of sellers at 755. We're getting into midday with JetBlue. Not doing much. Trading inside of that consolidation. Extended price channel. We have been holding really tight. I am still managing the JetBlue. See this consolidation here? We can probably print a bear flag pattern on the 15-minute time frame. There's been somebody holding JetBlue at 750 with 50,000 shares. This is the guy or gal that has been holding the price on JetBlue the whole day. Being a little boring, I have to say. Strong consolidation though. This one is being extremely boring. Extremely boring. All right, back to 757, 760 has been something that it's being tapped many times. This consolidation is being somewhat strong. Trading very slow. It's being a little bit annoying, honestly. Waiting for JBLU. This is the what we spoke about this morning on JBLU, that yesterday was a really slow trader, and that we only have like a 20-cent range on JBLU. You can see a CCL about to break a small pennant on the 5 minutes, small pennant formation on the 5 minutes. CCL coming down, CCL coming, that small pennant consolidation breakout. Break down on the 5 minute time frame, dropping $8.13. See if this guy's gonna let the price on JetBlue go. I really don't want to be holding this position into midday though. I got in short at 757. I have been holding for quite a little bit of time today. There is somebody sitting at 750 with 50 and 60,000 shares at a time, propping the price right back up again. We don't have a lot of support. There's the guy again with 60,000 shares sitting at 750. If we can take him out, if he goes away, we don't have support, not much under 750. We can see a few 749s, and then we have a level on the daily at on the 15, 720. So I'm looking for the tap of the 720, but we need to break under the 750. And I've been holding this position here for a couple of minutes, try to get a tap of the 720. On the daily, we have 729, and since today early, since the pre-market hours, I've been looking at this one because we have a nice range all the way down to $6.61 on JetBlue. So that's what's been going on here. I've been waiting and holding on JetBlue. See if we can break under the 750. This person is holding it tight on 750. We tapped a couple of minutes ago that 750. There were a couple of minutes a couple of shares that got taken out at 750, and they propped the price right back up, and it's been trading inside of this range for a few minutes already. Here are the levels that we are working with today, and on the 15 minutes, I'm been working around here. It will be lovely to see print a bear flag pattern on the 15 minutes. Take out the prior low, 750. I think it was 750 we tapped right here. Yeah, 750. We saw that, and we've seen that resistance, the side support, I'm sorry, on the level 2 being pretty strong with that consolidation. This is the same pattern that we saw a couple of days ago. Somebody was holding the price of stock really tight. At the end, he tapped a couple of times, and then the guy went away, and he wasn't able to hold, or she wasn't able to hold, I don't know. But somebody, maybe an institution there, holding 50,000 shares, 60,000 shares, you know. There's no ordinary person here trying to hold the price with 60,000 shares. Do the math. This is, somewhat a big account. Or somebody just spooking shorts off. We also spoke about XY today. We're going down to 1139. And that's the daily level that we had to work with today, from the $13, $14 open down to $12.28. I don't have an open position on OXY, and I've been sharing the pictures of the big size and all of these things that are happening on the side of my monitor here, because I have several spread out, but on my monitor with the level 2 and everything else, I've been showing it to the guys here on Discord. You guys been seeing and monitoring this position here with me. Open positions, we have, who has open positions now? Lee Ling, you closed OXY at 61. We got starter at 500 on eCore, and we have closed positions on Lee Ling. Also have closed positions there on Discord. I can see the chat right there going through, people tapping their open in the closed positions there. Just out of curiosity anyway, not that, you know, but anyway, if any of you wants to come through, here's if any of you guys want to check it out, you can come in. It's all free stuff. Discord is there. We're sharing a lot of information there. We're sharing a lot of ideas. If that's a fit for you, check it out. 755 resistance here. Super strong. This range into midday, which is not something I appreciate. I wanted to get out and just go and get something to eat. I don't want to be watching JBLU. This is the first issue that I have this morning. I don't want to take it out here, because I think we have a decent opportunity. I can actually pay commissions and keep a couple of bucks, but I think that we can break under 750 and we can tap 720. And taking 30 cents though, it's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. Although we can see a daily a 660 though, so any of you guys, Rick, I just typed it in on top of your, I think it was on top of your comment. I think this is the link right there. That's the link for the Discord group. It's on top of your comment and under your comment as well. Lee Link can help OXY for more profit, but still learning my patience. Patience is hard to, you know. Hey Lee, listen, I've been holding JBLU. What was the time that I got in here? Let me go back and see when I got in. Let's see if I can see the time on the trade log. Executed 10:32 a.m. My order got executed at 10:32 a.m. today on JBLU, and I have been holding. I understand. Patience is, it's kind of hard to, you know, sometimes it's hard to wait for these things to come to you. I can't go out here and say, you know what, F it, I'm gonna go eat and I'm just not gonna mess with it, and I'll take a couple of cents, I'll take 5 cents a share and pay the commissions and keep the rest and just be gone with it, right? Be done for the day. I'm like, done for JBLU, I'm done with it. But that's not what I'm trying to do here. I really think that if we can break this consolidation, again, I didn't take this trade just to be waiting here an hour. I was trading yesterday on OXY. I took a 15-minute position short right out of the gates yesterday. 15 minutes. And then I took a APA long that lasted 2 minutes. And then I took a APA short that lasted 2 minutes. And I had a decent day yesterday. Very good day. And altogether, it was like 15, what? Less than 20 minutes on all together, on all of the trades. 15 minutes on one. And then the other one was kind of like 2 minutes and 2 minutes is 19 minutes altogether. I mean, like, yeah. And I've been holding JetBlue today for the longest time. But again, coming here, look at the 15 minute down here. This thing can actually move some more, right? We tap in 750 again. Let me see where the guy is sitting. Size is coming through again. Size is 59,000 shares here, 22,000 shares there. They're gonna prop the price right back up again. At some point, they're just gonna go away. They're just gonna go away. At some point, they're gonna give up, because they're not gonna be able to hold this thing. And when it goes, I'm gonna take my money and run with it. I'm gonna take my money and run with it. 750 size coming through. 750. 61,000 shares. Couple of people sitting on with 59, and another person sitting with 23,000 at 750. Propping up the price again here, holding 750. Let's see if they get, oh, finally, they got taken out. Gee, man, come on. Finally got taken out. These people got taken out. Whew. I was waiting for that. I was like, yeah, you gotta, once you take out those guys, we're gonna go. We're gonna go. Come on, we can see a doja here now. Bid, stacking, 746, 744. We're dropping now. Oh yes, baby. We're dropping now. Let's go, baby. Come on. Come on. Been waiting for you. Stop that 740. Stop that 740. Well, I'm gonna cover around 720 though. And I'm not trying to buy in. I'm trying to cover my position though. I'm short on this thing. Short 757. I'm gonna cover in 750, 720 though, around that area. It's probably gonna be a little balance around there. There's not gonna be much support under this area 750 that we had For those of you that are new in this channel, if you like the stream and you like the information though, please give it a like. I appreciate if you also want to subscribe. It's also appreciated. If you don't, I understand. It's okay. I'm still gonna share that information with you regardless of if you feel comfortable or not. I'm just here to help you guys out. Dropping. Come on, bid stack in the 738. 737 coming through. 36. Not gonna be much support. There's somebody with 10,000 shares. He's coming through at 735. He's gonna make the price of this one probably hold a little bit around this area. JetBlue finally dropping. JetBlue finally dropping. I held for a long time here. Bit stacking 737. Somebody getting absorbed right there. Okay, come on. $736, $735. Somebody hitting $735. 10,000 shares at $735. Oh, we keep on dropping. Keep on dropping. Let me take a picture of this one here. I like taking snaps for my records. I can show those pictures with the guys on Discord and the gals on Discord. $733 going through. Somebody with 10,000 shares sitting at 735. It's probably not gonna hold too much though. Once this guy gets absorbed here, some people getting their shorts covered. 735, taking about 20 cents. They are taking about 20 cents. A little bit of support coming in at 735. Once that goes, it's gonna move, and we're moving. We are moving. We are moving. We are moving. Took 100 shares out, 732. Took 100 shares out, 732. Bid stacking at 734. Okay, we have a little hammer here. Got a hammer on the 1. Hammer on the 1. Sharing the picture here with you guys now. JBLU. Rick, welcome to Discord. Green is good. Green is pretty decent. Took 100 shares out. 735 coming around. The harder it bounced, the harder it drops. People taking profits around there, including me. 735. I took 100 shares out. 735. Let me just delete this picture because it's not uploading. JetBlue 29 picture. I have a hard stop. I have a hard stop in case this thing reverses on me to protect my downside. Not my downside anymore because I'm already on the green. I'm on the driver's seat. I'm taking profits. I got short 757. Looking for a 720 test. 720 test. Inverted hammer on the 5. Shooting star. Come on now. High wick. Not much support at 734. Gonna see 733 going through in a second. 732s. Doji on the 1. Okay, 1, 5, 15 minutes and daily charts on my screen. You can see it right there, and I have those 3 time frames on my main and then one outside on my left over there for that daily that I keep on watch a lot. So again, looking for a 720 test. 720 test. Doji on the 5. We got about 2 more minutes to close on that doji. Holding really tight around this area. Once we get absorbed, it's midday now. It's midday now. Midday now. Once we get absorbed, I want to see the low of 730 be tapped again. 730, the low of this candle here in the 1 minute. Let's see what we're doing here. Topping candle on the 5. 735, 737, getting a little bit of support. Let's see, we get absorbed here. We're getting these people absorbed. We're getting another 1 minute. 1 minute on the 5 minute time frame. Okay, spinning top formation, spinning top formation on the 1 minute time frame. Spinning top formation, neutral, neutral. Spinning top formation is reversing right now. 1 minute time frame. You can see the candles right here. Spinning top formation, green, red, red, green right here. Coming down to retest 730. Doji. Inverted dragonfly, doji on the 5, coming to 732, not holding that support, bid stacking 732, want to see a retest 730, get on the 720s. Again, here's the thing, 720 based on the 15-minute time frame though. I could take another 100 shares of 720, leave a little bit open for a possible test of the $7. So I'm gonna close the doji here. We just closed the doji here. I apologize for the background noise. You guys I've been here on the stream since early time know that my kids have been playing around a little bit. For those of you guys that like that information and want to subscribe to the YouTube channel, it's greatly appreciated. If you want to put a comment, if you want to like the stream, it's greatly appreciated. Okay, 732 is coming through. 729 already showing on level 2. Come on, baby. You know you're here for that. All right, so consolidation on the 1. Retest of 729. Looking for that retest 729. Retest 729. I'm looking for that. We got a 721 based on the 15-minute time frame. Pre-market hours. Pre-market hours. 721. A little bit of consolidation right here. Getting absorbed 732. You can see 731s. Not much support though. We're gonna have a retest of 730 in a second. Going down. Once we get around the 720s, around 725, 723, 724, around that area, I'm gonna get ready to get another 100 shares taken out. Reading level 2, not much support at 731, a little bit more at 730, but it's not strong though. It's not really strong. Okay, support coming in at 730 right now. A couple of people sitting with 5,000 shares and stuff like that. It's probably not gonna hold too much. We can see a retest that we can see a retest 730 right here. We're probably not gonna hold, especially with that doji showing strong resistance though. A bearish trend still showing a little bit of promise to the downside. Wallow sellers at 732. Tapping 731. Bit stack in there. Holding around this area 731, 732. Let's give it a second here. This 1 minute time frame candle. Do you have any comments? No. Okay. All right. Let's see here. Okay, we can see a hammer on the 5 on JetBlue though. Hammer on the 5 on JetBlue. What's the high? 740. What's my stop here? I just adjusted my hard stop on JetBlue for the remainder of my shares at 740 trigger, 740, actually 739 trigger, 740 limit. That was a hard stop that I have set on JetBlue. On JetBlue, hard stop set on JetBlue for the remainder of my shares in case this thing reverses with that hammer on the 5 minute time frame, that it doesn't held this downtrend in the 730 actually holds a little bit. I have, since it's midday, I have that set out right there. Putting a trend line on 730. Okay, here's another thing that I see. We have another one more minute on that 5 minute candle. Getting a little bit of support though. Getting a little bit of support around this area. We got one more minute, actually 15 seconds to close on that 5 minute candle. We're printing a bull flag pattern, a bear flag, I'm sorry. Bear flag pattern. Bear flag pattern. Bear flag pattern on the 5 Let's see if we can come right back down and finish up that bear flag. Finish up that bear flag. Bid stacking 735. Getting a little bit of support around this area though. See if we're gonna hold around this area, or if the sellers are gonna come in. Guys, drop it now. Okay, support is going away. Okay, it seems like we're gonna print a bear flag pattern on the 5-minute time frame, come right back down to retest at 730, follow through towards 720. See, now it got really entertaining. This morning was so boring for me. Okay, we can see 729, 728 on level 2. Bid stacking again 732. Being held a little bit around here. Let's see if this little bit of consolidation can actually break down. Retest at 730. Go from there. Okay, what's the high on the 5 here? 738 and 740. 738, 740 on the high of the 5 here. Bid stacking 735. Trying to hold it around here. There's a little bit of consolidation. A little bit of a doji here on the 5. Still indecision on this one, but we have a little bit of a wall of sellers right here, 736. Not huge size though, but we have a wall of sellers at 736. So we're putting orders through at 736 here. And it seems like this little bit of indecision here, we're probably not going to hold it so tight around 734, 735, 736. So expecting this little bit of consolidation here to break under, have a retest of that area there on that $7.30 retest, and slam right back down towards the 720. We see a doji on the 15. Doji on the 15. Come on, give me that bear flag formation already on the 5. DJA. You're talking about the diamond? $737. Consolidation holding that 738. 738 holding. Let's see if they take me out at 740. I don't know. I have a hard stop there. I don't want to hold it too much. It's midday. I don't want to be in for a long time here in this position. It's midday. During midday, I don't appreciate being here on midday too much. Consolidation. I can see some 740s on the ask. If he tasks my 739, probably going to take me out here. And I'm not going to move my order though. If he takes me out, no, I'll go with what I have. $738 holding. $738 holding. Type in the 739, 740. Let's see if that, yep, took me out. Took me out. See if we're gonna reverse here. I'll probably put the stop too close. I could have put it 2 cents over that and just take this reversal here. Maybe it's gonna keep on coming up towards the 50 simple moving average. Anyway, I'm already out. Took me out on that push to 740, and chances are we're gonna reverse here. That's pretty messed up. Okay, it's coming down reversal now. Too bad for me. I'm already out. But I'm green. I'm not gonna complain. Okay, we can see JBLU coming down again. My stop was a little bit too tight, it seems. $7.34, $7.33 is gonna come through. This could have been a better trade though. Could have been a better trade towards 720. Was the original idea. Finally moved. The problem is that it's midday now, and the volume is kind of tricky at midday. And this thing, it's see here, this trend now. If we don't hold and we come right back up, it might actually reverse a little bit, because this downtrend here might find a little bit of a floor right here. and come right back up. Let's see if we can take out the prior 5-minute candle at 7:34. If we do that, we might be able to go down to 720s. It didn't move fast enough though. Yeah, we're gonna, seems like we're gonna drop here. Seems like we're gonna drop here. 733 coming through. Yep. We don't see much support right there. Come up to tap that 730. A little bit of selling going through. Wall of sellers at 732. Tapping that 730. See some 729s coming through on the level 2. Tapping that 730 with our retest. Little flag on the 15 minutes. Nice consolidation on 15 minutes. I expect some follow through to 720. Expect some follow through to 720. $730 here. See if we can take that down. Take that down. Follow through. Right back down. Again, this is a slow mover though. You gotta be a little bit patient in this midday. There's not much you can do with it. You gotta be patient. Flagging here. It's gonna tap. See some 730s. They're trying to hold it tight right there, but it's been the same thing that it's been doing the whole day here, trying to hold the trend, trying to hold the trend. When people are not able to hold it, then it just goes. But there you go. Now 7 bit stacking to 730. 730 gets taken out. You can see some 727s going through right there, all the way down there at level 2. See some 730 got taken out. See if we can take out 730. A little bit of consolidation still here. I don't think they're gonna hold it though. I don't think they're gonna be able to hold it here. We're gonna, again, 15-minute time frame, 721. Under that, $7, 661. Then after on the daily, the 7 is the whole area of support. Whole area of support. We have a gravestone doji on the 1. Gravestone doji on the 1. Tapping that 730. You're holding that 730. Yeah, you gotta be patient. If you have any positions, I don't know if any of you guys have any positions. I don't have any positions on Zoom right now. Not on ZM. Not on ZM. On wait, you said ZN or ZM? Did you say CN with the N? If it's ZN, the oil and gas, that's a 20-cent stock. I honestly don't trade those. The risk on those for me is way too high, and oh no, that's too cheap for me though. Those very low price names right there are extremely volatile and manipulated. Anybody with 3 cents can actually move the price of the stock one way or another. So for me, it's a little bit too risky. I like trading a little bit more robust. And no, I am not saying that I wouldn't trade something like CI that is $1, $2, $3, whatever. No. But when it comes down to the pennies like that, 20 cents, I try to, and I have done so. When I started trading back in 2012, I used to trade those names like that. I discovered in the hard way actually that it's not a good idea. That I didn't perform too well with those names. 740, 739, 740. Let's put a trend line here, 740, because it seems like that's prior resistance. No problem, man. Listen, I'm sorry. I don't mean to sound any kind of rude or nothing like that. I just, for me, those are a little risky. And trying to answer the question, I don't have an open position on CN. Although the oil and gas companies, energy sector has been really trending over the last couple of days. Well, yesterday and a couple of days ago because of the Saudi Arabia, Russia thing. It's being slammed. Yesterday, Trump came out with a tweet, and this thing just started to skyrocket. I took a short on OXY. It was decent right out of the gates. Then Trump came out saying what he said. This thing started skyrocket. I went to find some other company that was not as volatile as OXY. OXY got halted yesterday like 3 times. And so I saw that formation. I didn't want to, I couldn't do much with what we had. And so I went to a sympathy play in the same sector, APA, TALO, those names like that. I got all the ones that I'm watching here, GPP, energy sector stuff, MVO that I have on my monitor here, PUMP. But I went to Apache APA yesterday. I took a long trade, breaking out of the bull flag formation of the 5-minute time frame, and then a short in the reversal yesterday. I have a video there that VXRT, if I'm not mistaken, that's a biotech. Let's just go and take a look at it. VXRT. Yeah, biotech. God, I mean, looking at the 5 minutes right now, to be honest with you, looks a little iffy. It's a lot of whipsaw. Now, not a kind of. Here's the thing. I'm gonna switch up for a second. See this? This is just, for me, this is just kind of like all rice and mangoes with beans and all together in one spot. There's nothing I can do with this. There's no clear formation trend, nothing I can do. Now, on the other hand, for example, if we have something like, if it was like some trend like this, that we have a range and a consolidation here, something like that, like for example, going back to JBLU, here's a downtrend. Here is the pennant that we have on the 5 minutes right here, right? That you can see form, break down, get inside of the pocket, another little consolidation here, breaking down, flushing, another pennant right here with this consolidation. So these are the type of patterns that I'm looking for. Things that I can read. I can read the support, I can read the resistance, I can see things. I can actually take a risk, for example, on a trade off of, for example, on a short, risking off of the breakout of this 740. If it doesn't work, it just takes me out. But if it works, I can go down to $7.20, $7. So I can have levels to play with when it comes to this 740, 730 area. But when it comes down to VXRT, there's nothing I can use there for me to be able to determine what the price of stock might end up doing in the next few minutes. For those of you guys that are here and are new, I appreciate if you like the stream, if you enjoy that information. If you do, for you that are looking for ideas, I do share, and this is free stuff, a swing trade, day trade watch list every weekend sent out. Go over to tradersconley.com. Let me see if I can put there. Just get your account. Again, it's free though, and we don't spam. Get your account, you'll receive that swing trade, day trade watch list every single weekend, and it's free. We don't spam. Now, on top of that comment that I just put in the Discord group, and it's also free. The group is like 80 people there or something like that. We share a lot of ideas. We have open positions there. I got a tab with open positions, closed positions, profit, loss, trading ideas, off-topic Q&A sessions, all of the things that you might want to look for, And if you want and that you think that's a fit for you, just go ahead and check it out. If that's not a fit, well, it's okay. It's risk-free. You don't have to pay for no membership or nothing like that. So again, I just wanted to share that with you real quick. If you have any other question in regards to maybe a stock that you want me to take a look at, going back to Nimalan, I'm sorry, I didn't, I don't want it to sound like I don't trade those things so cheap. It's just that for me the risk is a little high, and if you don't have money to trade with, you can't make money. So for me, the first thing is protecting my account. And so if the risk is too high and the reward is not so much, then I don't take the trade. And so that's why I'm protecting my capital by not trading a very, very low price name as ZN, right? JetBlue, on the other hand, is a little bit of a solid company. They've been taking a hit because of the coronavirus, and every single other company out there has been taking a hit. There's a couple of patterns here that we can work with. It's a little bit of consolidation. Again, we might go down to 720. It's midday right now. You gotta wait for it. You gotta hold it. You gotta just be patient. I'm watching. I added yesterday. For those of you that don't know and that are not on Discord, I added PE. I added PUMP to my watch list. Energy sector stock, the ramping up with a nice gap up, a gap to fill. PUMP 408 towards 649, so we have a range of $2.50 right there, and then we have PE from $7.54 to $10.36, so we have about $3 range right there as well. All of those ideas I share on the Discord. Other ideas I send out on an email once a week. Again, I'm on Discord. I keep the conversation rolling right there the whole day. You guys know, last night I was chatting with some people that was asking me questions at 12:35 a.m., 12:30 something in the morning. So I'm available. You write to me, I respond. And again, all this kind of stuff is free. If you guys want to take advantage of that, it's okay. Come on now, give me the music. All right. So, you know, I just what I'm doing is we tap into 740. Let's see, we're gonna take out that resistance there to come right back up. I'm not holding any positions right now in JBLU. I got taken out on the bounce. As I told you guys, I put a hard stop for the remainder of my shares when this thing started to bounce, and it took me out. And look at that, I took out that range. So I'm just trying to create a decent community, something that we can share ideas with, connect with my like-minded people, and that we can all grow together, right? At the end of the day, I think we are somewhat like a family, and this is a kind of lonely type of career, right? But when you connect with like-minded people, it's not as bad. This morning I spoke about OXY tapping the 739, and you can see it here on the daily. Let me show you. If you guys, for the guys that were not on the stream earlier today, we had these levels to trade with 1346, 1368, and the tap of 1139. Once, if you want to call me out on that, you can go back and watch the beginning of the stream, because it's going to be archived on YouTube. For those of you that are paying attention to what I'm posting and listening to what I'm talking about here, look at the trend lines there, right? This is something that I can work with. The reason being is because these are the areas on the daily that we can actually work with, right? So I use a lot of daily range to determine where I want to get in or out, and to manage the risk and know exactly off of where I'm gonna be taking an entry or an exit. Guys, it's midday. I'm a little hungry. I only had coffee this morning. All right, so I'm gonna stop the stream here for a second. Again, I'm gonna keep the conversation rolling on Discord. So if you guys want to come through and just check it out, you're welcome to do so. If not, I understand. And I will see you guys around probably in the next stream if you want to come by. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, I understand if you don't want to do it. If you want to, go ahead, and you're very welcome to do so. So let me take a screenshot of FRO. Here coming down on the 15, pretty decent downtrend. I'm gonna be sharing this picture of what I'm looking at on FRO right now on the chat on Discord with everybody there. And I'm gonna be cutting the stream in 1 minute here, and I'm gonna go and get something to eat because I haven't even get breakfast yet today. FRO is a stock that we were watching since this morning. For those of you that were in the stream, you probably do know this. For those, well, there's a chance for you to get advantage of all of this stuff. I have a lot of information on the stream though, on the channel, showing you pictures of and videos of how to do stuff, even if you have a TD Ameritrade account, Thinkorswim. So guys, anyway, for now I'm gonna let you guys go. Enjoy the rest of your day, and happy trading, guys.